Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudhlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'd. First of all, let's thank our good Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given us a blessing, so we can attend in this video with good condition and happy situation. Secondly, may salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has brought us from the darkness to the likeness, from Jahiliyyah era to Islamic era. Okay, before we start, my name is Rasko Fagarot and I'm from 8th grade and I'm school in Aida and Backpacker School Sentul. Yeah, so today I want a presentation IT project. First, as you can see, there are two projects, IT project animation. Today I present my UI design, which is a loading progress bar. I create this design using Figma and animate it using the Lottie plugin. The purpose of this design is to make the loading process clear and user-friendly. Instead of using a normal spinner, I choose a progress bar with percentage, so users can easily see how much progress has been completed. For the design, I use the dark background, to make it look modern and clean. The progress bar uses a gradient color. The color looks more attractive and not boring because gradient color. And I also add a percentage number and a loading text so user can understand what is happening. For the animation, I use Lottie to make it smooth and lightweight so it can be used in apps or website easily. In conclusion, this design improves user experience by making loading screens more informative and visually appealing. So next, as you can see, there are two project again, IT project car grading. This is for the plant and flower. This is for the city. The city, there are a car, city, and people, and this is there are plant, flower, and this is my photo editing project. This image show a natural with grass and hills. I edit this photo using Affinity. I think all of you know the Affinity. The goal of this project is to make the photo look more natural and aesthetic. And I adjust the brightness, contrast, and color to improve the overall look. I focus on the foreground grass, making it sharper and more detailed. Meanwhile, the background is slightly soft to create a sense of depth. I also use a calm color tone to give a relaxing feeling. This project shows how simple editing can make a photo look more professional and attractive. And with it, IT project bedroom. As you can see, there are bedroom. My 3D design project, which is a bedroom scan. I create this project using Spline. The main concept of this design is to create a simple, clean, and comfortable bedroom. I use a minimal style, so the room does not look too crowded but still feels complete. In this scan, there are several objects such as a bed, table, chair, cabinet, and small decoration. Each object is placed carefully to make the layout to balance and realistic. I also focus on the color selection. I use soft and natural colors like gray, white, and little bit of warm tones. This combination helps create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Another important part is the lighting and perspective. I arrange the camera angles so the room looks more interesting and has depth. The shadow and light also help make the objects look more real. Even though the design is simple, I paid attention to small details like the position of object and spacing, so the room looked neat and organized. This project show how we can use Spline to create a 3D environment easily, even with simple shapes, but still produce a good and aesthetic result. In conclusion, this bedroom is an present and cozy and modern space that is comfortable and visually appealing. And next, as you can see itu there is sword. The color is yellow. uh, yeah, the sword, uh, same like bedroom 3D model 3D project, and which is a sword. I create this model using block bench, not spline. The main concept of this design is to create a simple and stylish weapon using a low poly style. Uh, this means the model is made using basic shapes with minimal details, so it's lightweight and suitable for games. This sword consists of three main parts: the guard, and the handle. Each part has a different shape and color to make it easy to recognize. The blade is designed to look sharp and clean, with a simple straight form. The guard is placed between the blade and the handle to give a balanced look and also add detail to the design. The handle is made simple but strong, so it looks comfortable to hold. I also focus on the color selection. I use contrasting color between the blade and the handle to make the model more visually clear and interesting. Even though the design is simple, I paid attention to the proportion and structure. The sword still looks realistic and functional. This type of model is very suitable for user in gamers or animation, especially for stylish or low poly project. Low poly because it does not require heavy performance. In conclusion, this project show how we can create a simple but effective 3D model using block bench with good design and clear structure. Okay, guys, thank you for my IT project presentations. Sorry if I have many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.